Hi, this is Mark Mikelat from Building Aspirations, and I'm going to introduce you to a great online tool that will help you train your staff members. Stay tuned. Right here is something called Udemy, udem.com. This is a repository of online courses. And Udemy has been around for a number of years. It's very well respected, and there's a lot of comprehensive courses here. So what you could do is just look to see what you need help with. Let's say your team members need help with Excel. Okay, now there's all different versions of Excel out there. Let's just pick generally Excel. And it's the whole repository of courses there, and some are designed by amateurs, some are designed by experts. And there's a ranking system, and you can evaluate who does what. Okay, see right here, you have Microsoft Excel, Excel from beginner to advanced, okay, $12, 14 hours of instruction, rating of 4.6 across, and this is really telling, 20,000 plus, okay? So suppose you want to train a staff member in Excel, how do you do that? Can you send them to a course for $1,000? Yeah, you could, or you could buy them a license for this right here. And then if you need some information about the actual creator of the course, you just click on that and it tells you a little bit more about what is in the course, the description for the course, and then even if they have similar courses. And then there's a buy now. Now, sometimes there's different types of pricing. Pricing changes all the time. Okay, just because it's $11.99 doesn't mean that it's $11.99 forever. Some of the courses can be pretty pricey, $150, but it's in retrospect. Okay, what is the value of an employee saving 10 hours a week? Okay, I mean, you might be able to get the value back from the training immediately, Udemy. And this right here, you notice that this is a bestseller, so a very high ranking. So the risk is rather minimal. And then just to show you, there's a lot of other different opportunities here. There's also Udemy for Business. Get your team access to Udemy's top 2,500 courses. So this is more of a corporate license if you want a full repository or full access for all the employees, for example, or the individual courses right here. And you see sometimes they have very specialized leadership. And right here, a lot of these leadership courses are by instructors or coaches or trainers, corporate people who really have some in-depth experience here. Notice that this is from a bestseller right here, Fundamentals in Practical Leadership, 3 hours. 930 people bought this, and we're very happy with a ranking of 4.6. There is a full day money back guarantee, and then you can filter by a lot of different things. Suppose you have a need to only have the course available in French. Well, there you go. Here are some leadership courses available for you in French. So if you have a disparate or a geographically diverse workforce, Udemy can work for you as well. This is Mark Mikelat with a quick tip on how to more effectively train your staff members with some quick online, cost-effective, yet high-quality courses. This is Udemy.com. This has been Mark Mikelat from Building Aspirations. I hope you got some value from this quick tutorial video. And if you want more videos about how I can help you be more productive, profitable, and effective in your business, click on the subscribe button so that you're notified when we post new videos. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.